In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of smart locks and explore how they can significantly alleviate daily inconveniences associated with traditional locking systems. Smart locks are designed to enhance both security and convenience, making them an essential component of modern home technology. As we navigate through our busy lives, the ability to manage access to our homes effortlessly becomes increasingly important. With smart locks, you can say goodbye to fumbling for keys or worrying about lost ones, as these innovative devices offer keyless entry options, remote access, and customizable security features. Throughout this video, we will highlight the importance of integrating security measures that not only protect your home, but also provide ease of use for you and your family. We will also showcase a variety of smart locks available on the market, each with unique features tailored to meet different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a lock that can be controlled via smartphone, one that integrates with your home automation system, or a model that offers biometric access, there's a smart lock out there for everyone. Join us as we explore these exciting options and discover how they can transform your home security experience. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. The Wise Autolock Bolt stands out as a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential smart lock features. Designed for homeowners seeking both affordability and functionality, this smart lock provides a seamless blend of security and convenience. One of its standout features is the advanced fingerprint recognition system, allowing you to unlock your door with just a touch. This not only enhances security, but also offers quick access for you and your family. Additionally, the Wise Autolock Bolt supports unique access codes, enabling you to create personalized codes for family members or trusted guests, ensuring that everyone has secure entry without the need for physical keys. This feature is particularly useful for managing access for children or visitors, providing peace of mind while maintaining control over who enters your home. Furthermore, the Wise app enhances the overall experience by allowing you to monitor access history in real time. With this app, you can easily track who has entered or exited your home, providing an added layer of security. The combination of affordability, fingerprint recognition, unique access codes, and the convenience of the Wise app makes the Wise Autolock Bolt an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home security without breaking the bank. The Ultralock Ubolt Pro is a remarkable smart lock that boasts an impressive 8-in-1 functionality, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. This innovative lock offers multiple access methods, including fingerprint ID, smartphone control, keypad entry, and traditional key access, ensuring that you have a convenient way to enter your home no matter the situation. The fingerprint recognition feature allows for quick and secure access, while the smartphone control enables you to manage your lock remotely, providing peace of mind when you're away. Additionally, the Smart Auto Lock feature automatically secures your door after a designated period, enhancing your home's security without any extra effort on your part. Built to withstand the elements, the Ultralock Ubolt Pro is weatherproof, ensuring durability and reliable performance in various conditions. Installation is a breeze, as the lock is designed for easy setup, allowing you to upgrade your home security without the need for professional assistance. Furthermore, the Ultralock Ubolt Pro comes with a warranty, adding an extra layer of confidence in your purchase. With its advanced features, ease of installation, and robust warranty, the Ultralock Ubolt Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security with cutting-edge technology. Introducing the multifunctional UEE 330 Smart Lock, a cutting-edge device that seamlessly combines 3 essential features into one innovative product: a smart lock, a camera, and a video doorbell. This all-in-one solution not only enhances your home security, but also provides added convenience and peace of mind. The UEE 330 offers various unlocking methods, including traditional key access, keypad entry, and even voice control through popular smart home assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. This versatility ensures that you can unlock your door effortlessly, whether you're arriving home with your hands full or simply prefer a hands-free option. One of the standout features of the UEE 330 is its large rechargeable battery, which ensures long-lasting performance without the hassle of frequent replacements. This powerful battery allows you to enjoy the smart lock's features without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the remote control capabilities enable you to monitor and manage access to your home from anywhere, providing real-time notifications and video feeds directly to your smartphone. With its impressive 3-in-1 functionality, user-friendly unlocking methods, and robust battery life, the UE 330 Smart Lock is an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their home security while enjoying modern conveniences. The Deslock B200 is designed with convenience in mind, offering a range of features that simplify access to your home while enhancing security. One of its key advantages is the multiple unlocking methods available, including advanced fingerprint scanning and customizable PIN codes. This flexibility allows users to choose the most convenient way to unlock their doors, whether they prefer the speed of a fingerprint scan or the familiarity of entering a PIN code. Additionally, the Deslock B200 integrates seamlessly with the TT Lock app, enabling remote control of your lock from anywhere. This app not only allows you to manage access, but also supports voice integration, making it compatible with smart home systems for added convenience. You can easily grant access to guests or monitor who enters your home, all from your smartphone. Installation of the Deslock B200 is quick and straightforward, allowing you to upgrade your home security without the need for professional assistance. Furthermore, the impressive fingerprint recognition speed ensures that you can unlock your door in a matter of seconds, eliminating the frustration of waiting to gain entry. With its user-friendly features and efficient performance, the Deslock B200 is an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient and secure smart lock solution. The Yale Assure Lock 2 is a premium smart lock that combines advanced technology with stylish design, making it an ideal choice for modern homeowners. One of its standout features is key-free access, allowing you to unlock your door without the hassle of traditional keys. This is complemented by the convenience of the Yale Access app, which enables you to manage your lock remotely, grant access to guests, and monitor entry activity from your smartphone. The app enhances your overall experience, providing a seamless way to control your home security. Additionally, the Assure Lock 2 includes auto lock and auto unlock features, which significantly enhance security and convenience. The auto lock function automatically secures your door after a set period, ensuring that you never forget to lock up, while the auto unlock feature detects your smartphone as you approach, allowing for effortless entry. Beyond its functionality, the Yale Assure Lock 2 is available in various stylish design options, ensuring that it can seamlessly match your home decor. Whether you prefer a sleek modern finish or a classic look, there's a design to suit your aesthetic. With its combination of key-free access, smart features, and elegant design, the Yale Assure Lock 2 is a top-tier choice for enhancing your home security. The August Home Smart Lock stands out in the realm of home security with its impressive array of features designed for both convenience and functionality. One of its key advantages is the ease of installation. It can be effortlessly mounted onto your existing deadbolt, allowing you to upgrade your security without the need for extensive modifications or professional help. This compatibility ensures that you can maintain your current locking system while enjoying the benefits of smart technology. The August Home Smart Lock also boasts an intuitive app that simplifies the process of sharing access with family and friends. You can easily grant or revoke entry permissions, making it perfect for managing access for guests or service providers. Additionally, the lock incorporates biometric security features, such as fingerprint recognition, providing an extra layer of protection and ensuring that only authorized users can gain entry. Another standout aspect of the August Home Smart Lock is its seamless integration with major smart home systems, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. This compatibility allows for enhanced convenience, enabling you to control your lock through voice commands or automate it as part of your smart home routines. With its user-friendly features and robust security, the August Home Smart Lock is an excellent choice for modern homeowners. In this video, we explored the critical aspects of choosing the right smart lock, emphasizing its importance for both security and convenience in today's fast-paced world. As we discussed, selecting a smart lock that aligns with your specific needs can significantly enhance your home's safety while providing effortless access for you and your family. We highlighted various models, each offering unique features such as key-free entry, remote control capabilities, and advanced biometric security, ensuring that there's a perfect option for everyone. It's essential to consider factors like installation ease, compatibility with existing systems, and the ability to integrate with your smart home devices when making your choice. By taking the time to evaluate your requirements, you can find a smart lock that not only meets your security needs, but also fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. We hope you found this information valuable and encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on home security and technology. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. Together, let's make informed decisions to enhance our home security and convenience. Thank you for watching.